eBay tape! I haven't bought anything off of eBay in a while. I wonder why I got the tape. Maybe it's leftover. I don't really like eBay that much. Yeah, just my personal opinion. I'd rather buy directly from somebody off of a Facebook page, maybe. Macari, things like that. Just my opinion. What's really going on, PEZ Collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So, these were offered. So these were offered. With tape! I specifically said no tape. Oh, that is really cool. So, with the bunny slippers. Oh, very cool. So, these dispensers were offered to promote Steve Glew. Now, Steve Glew goes by the PEZ Outlaw, and he smuggled millions of dollars worth of PEZ into the United States. And then he got in trouble for it. Now he doesn't do it anymore. But these are cool. 3D printed, 2 different versions. Oh, it's got his autograph! Hey! Very cool. The PEZ Outlaw! He is now famous since his head is on said candy dispenser. Is this one? Yes, this one's autographed too. So there's 2 different versions here. We see this nice copper hat. Look how blue his eyes are. Very cool. Now, we actually did a video, a chapter here on the PEZ book, The Outlaw Carried a Gun. Be sure to check that out. Also, apparently there's something going on with this man and possibly a movie about his life. That would be really cool. I really like this buzzsaw type hat. Gives him a little edginess. Really dig it. So if you look here, there is a pivot point where it's holding the head. So, yeah. It's got all that beard. I think he's eating the candy with each dispense. And his patented bunny slippers. So there you go. The Outlaw is now famous since his head is on a PEZ dispenser. So until next time.